Okay. Hi in Maliseet, Wallastock. So those are the people around on the Wallastock River in New Brunswick. Beautiful people. Been up there. Real grateful for their teachings and their generosity. And I'm really getting into this high in the different languages because I can't help but having to look deeper into what the languages are about. And the languages are always about this deep relationship with the land, that there's no separation between the people and the land. And the land is speaking through the people in a beautiful way. And so the more I learn that, and the more I see that all the work that I've been doing for, it doesn't feel like work, it feels like joy, is getting to learn that again, to really feel that lack of separation between me as a human and other people, so-called other people, and the land in all of its forms, facets, fascinations, all of its expressions. So taking that deep pause with me. You never know when it's going to happen. It's the bell of mindfulness. Not just the words. Here we are, busting through any sense of separation in our oneness, the one circle of life. Feeling that wind, that breath, wherever you are. I can tell you, there's some life-giving air that you're breathing. Giving great thanks for that. Yeah, so getting kind of right down to it, that all of these exercises and practices and the championing of indigenous culture, and for that matter, Buddhist practice, is, any of the spiritual disciplines that actually help us bust out of that sense of separation, out of that delusion, out of that alienation, out of that deep loneliness and isolation that we've all experienced, because the seeing that, that just really isn't true, that's not the way reality is set up, it's just marvelous. So I was saying yesterday, I think about the water and just going deep into the investigation, the appreciation, the honoring of water. That alone, that element alone, takes you right into higher consciousness. And higher consciousness is a place of relationship, of belonging, of love and freedom. And again, I like doing this circle here, all our relations. We just know that on some level. And then when we remember again that that's what this earth walk is really about, is expressing the beauty of that sense of all our relations, all my relations, that sense of oneness, if you will, that, unbreakable bond, embeddedness in nature, with you and me, in spirit. It's all spirit. Thanks for listening.